Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings is giving another 2019 Uncrating Triumph, as you can see this time. This is a 2019 in their Bonneville family. It's the Street Scrambler. The Street Scrambler's got some nice revisions for it for 2019. This is going to be a Cranberry red. We're going to bust out of the crate, show you the new machine. You saw it in some of my walk-around videos at the Global Dealer Conference over in London. But now we're going to see the real deal here in Southwest Virginia, getting uncrated for you. Let's do it, Josh. And here comes the good part. Slicing that plastic open, seeing what's inside. So now in 2019, even your urban classics are going to get the Triumph Care Package, which is a nice backpack that has a beautiful carry case inside of it with your owner's manual, spare keys, big beautiful black leather Triumph key fob. So definitely take heed of that. And then we're going to see the Cranberry red. We've got a little bit different front end with wider forks. We got 5 more horsepower. We have some different instrumentation going on up here. Excuse me. But we're going to be doing the 2019 Uncrating for you at Frontline Eurosports, so you can get a taste of your own Triumph history. The Cranberry Red 2019 Triumph Street Scrambler and Cranberry Red with the new front end.